How to remove parental control on Google account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to scroll down and simply head over to screen time. Inside screen time, you need to scroll down and move into content and privacy restrictions. Now all you gotta do is, if it is turned off, then simply turn it on. Move into iTunes and App Store purchases. Make sure to set it to don't require password. Once done, now go back and head over to App Store Media, Web and Games. Move into web content. Set the settings to unrestricted. After that, the parental control will be removed and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.